Mastering predictions. Sharpening your reading comprehension skills. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: predicting outcomes. Predicting outcomes is a vital part of the inference and interpretation process in reading comprehension. With this strategy, you'll improve your understanding of texts and anticipate what might happen next. Let's get started. When we talk about predicting outcomes, we're talking about using clues from the text, along with your own experiences and knowledge, to make educated guesses about what will happen next. By doing this, you're not only deepening your comprehension of the text but also becoming an active participant in the reading process. Making predictions might seem like a skill only for fortune tellers or psychics, but in truth, it's something we all do every day. It's just about noticing details and making educated guesses based on what we know. Why is predicting outcomes so important? It's all about engagement and comprehension. By making predictions, we're forced to engage with the text actively, and this helps us to understand the story better. We start to think ahead, to anticipate what comes next, and that brings the story to life. Predicting outcomes also allows us to understand the author's intentions and ideas more clearly. It makes the reading experience more interactive and dynamic, as we're constantly processing information and adjusting our predictions. So how do we go about making predictions? First, always look for clues. These can be found in the plot, the characters' actions and words, or even the setting. For example, if a character is repeatedly described as nervous before a big speech, you might predict that they will mess up or forget their lines. Second, use your own knowledge and experience. The world inside the book is not so different from our own, and the author is using words and situations you can relate to. Finally, remember that your predictions don't always have to be correct. The goal is not to predict the outcome accurately every time, but to engage with the text more deeply and improve your understanding. Now it's time to practice. Find a book, a short story, or a news article, and as you read, try to predict what will happen next. Pause after each paragraph or each page, and jot down your predictions. As you continue reading, see how your predictions stack up against what actually happens in the text. Remember, predicting outcomes is a fantastic tool for enhancing your reading comprehension skills. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and soon, making predictions will become a natural part of your reading process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reading!